What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today in this video we're going to talk about 6 big tech stocks. And now let's get right into Apple, which is up 0.84% on the day. And Apple stock, we actually got a nothing burger candle here on Apple stock, guys. Again, another bearish looking candle. And Apple actually not really going anywhere. Yes, we're slightly up, green on the day, but if you look at my screen, Apple did not get down to 151.11 to close this gap completely, and also Apple stock did not get up to 155 to test this big resistance up here. So tomorrow we will find out. Apple stock wants to move higher, we need to get above 155. Apple stock moves lower, watch out for this gap fill down here at 151.11, and that should be a support also aligned with this white line 20 SMA. We also have strong support at 150, 149, and then 146.71. This gap down here also will get closed on Apple stock. To the upside, only way up, we gotta break 155 and possibly, and that would be insanely bullish on Apple if we can get above 157. And it's been a struggle here on Apple stock to break 157, guys. If we can get above 157, Apple heading higher, and that would be more bullish for the market. But as of right now, with these three candles, it's not looking that great going into tomorrow. Yes, Apple stock can sell off, and I think it will sell off down to 150. And now we're going to look at Amazon. So Amazon stock is up slightly on the day, 0.40% on the day, and Amazon came down to 92.18 and then finally found some buyers, and Amazon stock went back up. And now if you look at my screen, yes, we're up on the day, just above right here, 93.65, blue line 5 SMA holding as a support. Now also this candle right here looks pretty good. We got a lot of buyers right here buying the dip and pushing the price higher. So tomorrow we need some continuation here on Amazon stock. If the stock wants to move higher, we need to get above 95, 96, white line 20 SMA. Then we're going to see a quick trip all the way up to 98.10 to fill this gap all the way up here. We still have this gap open down here at 90.19. So Amazon breaks 93.65, we could be coming down here early as tomorrow, if not Friday. And now we're going to look at Tesla. So Tesla stock, I'm holding 2 calls on Tesla, nothing big because Tesla getting extremely oversold, trading below lower Bollinger Band, came all the way down to 180 and now closing at 182. So I'm slightly in the green on my calls, but holding. I think we're going to see a retracement back up to 184, 185, and possibly up to even 190 before going even lower on Tesla. Also, guys, I said it before, and I'll be making another just one of a stock, one stock video, Tesla, later on once we get more sell-off, because the last one I made here, I was calling for a 20% rally, and guess what happened? Tesla stock rallied over 100%. And now, I sold all my shares, waiting for that dip desperately down here at 150, 146. If that happens within the next couple of weeks, I'll be buying shares of Tesla long term. Now, Tesla getting extremely oversold. So early as tomorrow, we could see a bounce, at least in the short term. We could see 184, 185, back up to even 190 before going lower. We got strong support at 178, and so far it's holding on Tesla. So watch this support 178. Below that, Tesla can come down a bit more. On Microsoft, we are absolutely flat on the day, only down 0.18%. And when I was live trading this morning, I think I told you guys that 250, that is a good zone to buy on Microsoft if you're looking to day trade. And if you got in, you made money because now it's sitting close to 254 and not getting that breakout above 255. So tomorrow, guys, key level to watch on Microsoft will be down here at 252, 250, 247.34, 245. To the upside, we will find resistance at 255, 257.41, 260, 261.90 to fill the gap all the way on top on Microsoft. And now we're going to look at Google. On Google stock, it's up 0.5% on the day, and if you look at my screen, Google ran all the way up to 96.24, and then once again 3 days right here getting rejected, and now it's sitting at 94.65, just holding on top of this blue line 5 SMA and also red line and white line 20 SMA. So that's going to be key level right around $94, and if that gives up, we could be coming down here to fill this gap at 92.48, and that is possible on Google stock going into tomorrow unless we hold this support right around $94. To the upside, we will find strong resistance at 97, and only that breaks, we're going to see more upside all the way up to 100. And now we're going to look at Meta. So on Meta, green again, 0.25% on the day, and Meta coming down, actually selling off early in the morning. It was a good sell-off here on Meta, all the way down to 181, and look at what happened, guys. 183 is a magnet. It's holding just like it did before. After that massive pump all the way up to 197, came down and was holding 183. You could just easily trade off of 183, buying the dip and selling out for a quick profit. And this is exactly what we got today. Yes, we went lower all the way down to 181.34, but end of the day, it's holding 183 as a support. And now that we also have positively sloping 5 SMA on this daily chart sitting at 182.83. So two things as a big support here on Meta. We got blue line 5 SMA and also a critical support 183, and it's holding right now. So tomorrow, guys, on Meta, 183 holds, we could see 187 to 190 again, where this upper Bollinger Band is sitting. Below 183, we could be coming down to 176.73, 175 to fill this gap down here, and then we also have support at 173 before coming all the way down here at 166 to this lower Bollinger Band. And that's all I have for you guys tonight. Thank you so much for watching.